Hello everyone and welcome again. Let's have a look. We've got another job in here. We are in the boiler room just now, and I will try to show you what we're gonna do in here on this place. In here we've got two pipes, flow and return pipe, and we're gonna put pump for the floor heating system in here. Then three pipes are water pipes for unvented hot water cylinder, cold water, hot water and circulation pipe. The pipes for the floor heating system, they are going upstairs into the manifold. This white pipe I was gonna tell you tomorrow. Them two are for the upstairs radiator, which is in the upstairs bathroom, flow and return pipe. Then pipes are going in there into the garage. There's one radiator. Then bigger ones are going in here. Into this manifold. We've got manifold with 8 sections in here. Valves, flow and return, and then we're gonna do some floor heating system in here. This house is about 180 square meters, so we will have many loops in here. Now I will show you upstairs manifold where it's gonna be. Yes, and in here in this place we've got another manifold to show you. We've got 8 sections in here as well, because this house is big, so we need them 8 on the first floor. The pipes are going down there into the boiler room I showed you before. Today we're gonna do this white pipe. It's a pipe for the hoover. Then pipes are for the power radiator, which is in the bathroom. Automatic hoover. When you put hose into this, you can hoover all this room. Thermostatic controller for the floor heating system. And then pipes are for the towel radiator in here, which is over there. And here another point for the hoover where you can hoover all this room from this place. Hello again. I told you before that I will tell you about that white pipe which we got in here. So let's start. Now we are in the boiler room, and in this place we're gonna put Beethoven's 200 condensing boiler and a pump for the floor heating system, and we've got pipes for the hot water cylinder in here. But in this corner here we're gonna put central vacuum cleaner. So this pipe in here is a suck pipe. We've got few points in this house. This pipe here is going to upstairs points. We've got one point in here. In the garage it looks like that. Inside we've got the wire. and this wire is going into the central vacuum cleaner and into the average point. To connect this, you're using glue, same like for waste pipes in some countries, yeah. It's going in here. This house is very big, so we've got few points in this house, and this pipe is going into the kitchen. In this place we're gonna have, it's gonna be a kitchen unit, kitchen sink unit, and in this point we're gonna put special point. You can sweep up all dust from the floor, and by open this point you can sweep that dust inside, and the vacuum cleaner will suck it. Yeah, it's very good and modern. Let's see in here. This pipe is going from the boiler room. Yeah, I showed you before. And we've got 2 points in the first floor as well. 1 point. And this pipe is going in here to the next point, which is over there, yeah? But anyway, let's have a look for another thing we've done in here. In some rooms we're gonna have room thermostats. Yeah, all them thermostats, they will connect into the manifold, which is in here. This is the upstairs manifold on the first floor. You've got them wires in here. It's very good when you mark them which room thermostat it's for the which wire is for the which room thermostat. It's good for the future. Let's have a look for the downstairs and other ones. Yeah. We've got another room thermostat. This is entrance into this house, very big. In here we're gonna put one loop, floor heating system loop. We have another room thermostat in here. This is very big living room with 3 loops, so you can have any temperature you want. In here is the kitchen, so you've got another room thermostat in here, kitchen thermostat in this case. The job with a vacuum, central vacuum cleaner is not very difficult. It's really easy, but you have to know what you're doing. Anyway, for now I will finish. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. I will make more videos. Thank you for now. Bye bye.